Hi, this is Bruce with Hunsaker Home Hacks. Please subscribe to the channel, ring the bell for future notifications. Share me with a friend and on social media. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Today we're talking about a new addition to the family. That's right. We now have our new robot in the house. Just not in this room because he's downstairs. Introducing to you Astro. So in this video, we're going to go over the setup and everything of Astro, and then I'll post another video about fun with Astro. So don't touch that dial. Stay right here as we check out Astro. Okay, people, now it's time for another edition of What's in the Box. What's in the box? What's in the box? The instructions say there's two steps. First step is we are going to tear this off here. Second step is tear this side off here. And then we're going to pull these out this way. Pull this one out this way. Take the whole thing out like that. And now we lift the top off. We have a box here. And then here. Whoa. Just lift. There. We have a button guide. Charger inside. We have the Astro welcome kit. We have the Astro charger right here. We have a ring, a power plug. That's everything in the box. This is a things to try with Astro card. All right, so here is his setup instructions. This appears to be a cup holder. That fits on the back of Astro back here. So he can carry drinks. And then we have our power cord. It's a computer-like power cord. Power cord's got the little smile on it. On the back of the unit, it has a wire management tool and different ways that you can run the wire to the power. There's Astro. I have to find him a place that he'll be able to be comfortable. I can either put him on this wall right here, or I can put him right there next to Ebo. We've got Astro plugged in now. You can see he's doing some setup stuff. It says we're getting Astro online. This may take a moment. Please leave Astro on the charger. So Astro's on the charger. So fetching, loading. So hi, Bruce Hunsaker. This is Astro's registered to Bruce Hunsaker. If this is you, select yes, that's me. Bruce Hunsaker. Amazon digital content, family profile. Yes, that's me. Welcome to Astro. Astro uses Alexa to understand and respond to voice requests. Alexa is a cloud-based voice service. Amazon process retains audio, interactions, other data in the cloud to provide and improve our services. Learn how Alexa's designated design. Alexa allows purchase by voice using your default payment and shipping settings. You can set voice confirmation codes, turn off voice purchasing, see product orders, learn more by tapping agree to terms, agree to Amber's terms and conditions. Confirm time zone, mountain daylight. Yes. Just a moment. Meet Astro about 5 minutes. Getting to know you about 15 minutes. Learn about your home about 30. Okay, so we're going to do the Meet Astro portion. That's the top line here. And we're going to introduce ourselves to Astro. So let's see how this works. This is a brief video on the ways you can use your new device. All right, we're going to hit the button.
Keep home closer with Astro. Let's get started by welcoming Astro to your home and trying out some things together.
Take a few steps back and welcome home. Well, there's his eyes. He apparently is on full volume. All right. Let's try a few things. It's just telling us the things we can do. Astro, play 90s music. Flip a coin. All right. Get to know you. All right, so now we've met Astro. Now we get to know Astro. He gets to know me. All right, now we have another video.
By introducing Astro to yourself and the people who spend the most time in your home, you'll get a more personalized experience. Enter or select your name on the next screen.
Choose a name or create a new profile.
To add a new profile, make it exist, must confirm that you are Bruce Hunsaker. You're signed in with your Amazon account password. Continue. All right.
Hello, Bruce. I already recognize your voice. If you want to refresh your voice ID later, you'll need to delete your existing one in settings. To create a visual ID, select Continue.
All right. So now we're going to set up our visual ID. Teach Astro to recognize you. Enable Amazon. A visual ID enables Amazon to provide you with more personalized experience, such as identify when you're present, and more intelligent home monitoring alerts. Allows Astro to find you, to deliver your reminders, processing images. All right, so we gotta accept the terms. They're gonna know who I am.
Let's get started by scanning your face from different angles. At each step of the way, I'll tell you which direction to look. The best place to position yourself is 3 to 5 feet away from the screen. Center your face in the camera view and press start when you're ready.
I think I'm ready.
First, look directly at the screen. Now, tilt your head up. Look to your right. Next, tilt your head down. Look to your left.
Okay, cool. Visual ID created. So it says now we'll be able to recognize you, recognize what you look like, and come to you to deliver things, and distinguish you from someone it doesn't recognize when you use home monitoring. Continue.
If there are more people for Astro to meet, select yes.
You can always introduce someone later by going to settings, profiles, having them say Astro learned to recognize me. All right, there we go. So we're gonna say not now. Okay, so now it's learning about your home. It takes about 30 minutes. All right, here we go. Come on, Astro, let's get you. All right, so he's gonna learn about the home. Now we got another video.
The app lets you control Astro with your mobile device and see what's happening at home. Explore your home to create the map and ask you for a tour so it can learn your room names.
Time to pair Astro with your mobile device. Open the Astro app to the Live View tab and select Pair with Astro to begin the pairing process.
All right, I am doing that right now. Right here. Get started. First, pair your device. Scan QR code that generates PIN.
Scan the code with your Astro app.
Okay, that was easy. Let's see what Astro is up to when you're away. All right, hit next. Receive smart alerts when Astro detects events in your home, like sound and smoke and alarms. Okay, next. Use live view to see your home while you're away. Swipe to look around and tap to move Astro forward. All right, check in with those at home with two-way video. Astro is excited about joining your household. Okay, so now Astro's telling me we need to proceed. Place Astro on charger, in front of charger, and roll back into onto the charger. All right, he's already in front of the charger. All right, just a moment.
Astro is now going to practice docking. You'll hear a sound when Astro is successfully on the charger. Please stand at least 5 feet away.
The movement seems very fluid.
Great. Now Astro knows where to go when the battery needs to charge.
That's awesome.
Time to explore. Astro will now learn how to get around your home. Make sure the interior doors to the rooms you want Astro to explore are open. Exterior and closet doors are closed. The floors are clear of small objects. And that Astro's path is clear of people and pets while exploring your home. Astro will return to the charger when finished. When you are ready, say Astro, start exploring.
All right, we're going to send Astro out to explore. So we hit start. All right, Astro says please move a few feet back. Please wait for Astro to finish exploring. He's docking. Memorizing, updating the map may take a few minutes. So he's going to update the map. Astro, start home tour.
During the tour, Astro will follow you around. When you want Astro to remember a room name, move into the middle of the room and say something like, Astro, this is the kitchen. To start, what room are we in?
Living room. Just a moment.
Okay, this is living room. Astro will follow you to the next room. When you both arrive, tell Astro the name of the room. Tell Astro the name of this room.
Let's see what our choices are.
Okay, this is entryway. Astro will follow you to the next room. When you both arrive, tell Astro the name of the room.
Astro, this is the bathroom.
This room is currently named entryway. Is this a different room?
Yes.
Got it, bathroom.
Okay.
Astro will follow you to the next room. When you both arrive, tell Astro the name of the room.
Okay, let's go. I gotta go this way, Astro. Come on. Over here. Turn around. Right here. Okay, here we are. That was kind of cool. Astro, this is the kitchen.
This room is currently named entryway. Is this a different room?
Yes.
Got it, kitchen.
All right, let's go to the next room.
Astro will follow you to the next room. When you both arrive, tell Astro the name of the room.
Astro, this is the family room.
Okay, this room will be saved as family room. Astro will follow you to the next room. When you both arrive, tell Astro the name of the room.
Astro, stop home tour.
Thanks for showing Astro around. It'll take a few minutes for your map to show up in the Astro app.
Perfect. And our Astro setup is complete. Continue. So now he should be able to find his own way around, right? All right, so now you got to see the unboxing of Astro and the setup process, but I'm going to be posting another video of Astro and some of the things that he does, some of the fun stuff. I've been posting some shorts on that already, but I'm going to post some of the other stuff. All right. So now let's get Astro over here. Astro, come here. All right. Hey, buddy. Hello. All right, so we mapped the house with him, And he now knows the downstairs of the house. This is his domain, along with Bruno the dog. This is the area that he will maintain and he will go through. There's a lot of different things that we can do to set up Astro to do other things, and I'm going to cover those in other videos. So far, his navigation, his movement, and everything is pretty cool. It moves very well throughout the house. Now, I do have wood flooring throughout the house, so as he moves well. And he'll every once in a while say that with a message across the screen that he likes clean floors. So, and these are very clean floors in the sense of there's no big obstacles for him. So that's Astro, setup process and everything. But overall, he is the most expensive robot I have. He is pretty active throughout the day so far. He'll move from spot to spot in the house. When he recognizes a person he knows, he'll introduce himself. That's super cool. So we'll close this video off and we'll do a funner video with all the kind of niche stuff that Astro does. And then I'll follow that up with individual videos about particular functions that he can do. I've been able to get him to recognize certain things in the house, and I can then ask him about those things, and then he goes to there and he reports back to me those type of items. So this is Bruce with Hunsaker Home Hacks. Please subscribe to the channel, ring the bell for future notifications, share me with a friend on social media, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and Astro and I and the rest of the boys will see you soon. See you soon. See you soon.
Robotics refers to the study, design, and use of robots, which are machines that can perform various tasks autonomously or with minimal human intervention.